Hello mechanical engineers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss an interesting question related to riveted joints. And the question is, what makes the most efficient riveted joint impossible? Let's find out. First, let's understand what a riveted joint is. A riveted joint is a permanent mechanical joint where metal plates are joined using rivets. It is commonly used in bridges, ships, boilers, and even aircraft structures. The goal is to make a joint that is as strong as the original plate. But is that really possible? An efficient riveted joint should be able to equally withstand three types of stresses. First, tension, pulling force that stretches the material. Second, shear, the force that causes sliding failure between layers. Third, bearing, the force that presses one surface against another. If all these stresses are balanced, then the joint will be as strong as the original plate. But in reality, this is impossible. Why? Let's look at the reasons one by one. The biggest reason is the rivet hole itself. When we drill a hole into the plate to insert the rivet, the plate loses some of its original strength. This means that even before we place the rivet, the plate is already weaker than before. Another reason is the material of the rivets. In most cases, rivets are made of a different material than the plate itself. This means they may not have the same strength properties as the plate, leading to an imbalance in the joint strength. When we insert a rivet into the hole, there is always a small clearance between the rivet and the plate. This is necessary for assembly, but it also means there is a small gap that can cause movement and reduce overall joint strength. Finally, rivets are weaker in compression compared to the solid plate. Under heavy loads, the rivet may deform before the plate itself, making the joint less effective. So, to answer the question, why is the most efficient riveted joint impossible? The answer is, there should be at least one hole in the plate reducing its strength. Even though riveted joints are strong and reliable, they can never be as strong as the original uncut plate. I hope this explanation was helpful, and let me know in the comments what topics you want to learn about next.